when he gets the Muay Thai clinch, I want to bring this inside and grab his neck. So now when he pulls in, tries to pull me, look, I have this like a wall here. Okay? Now, the opposite hand comes underneath his tricep, and I grab my own arm. I lay it on top of my own arm. Okay? So when he gets the clinch, I bring this in. Look at my forearm is left his hand. It's folded in here, so my forearm is against his chest. Okay? It makes like a wall. So when I'm here, this arm goes underneath the tricep, and I put my palm up here. Now, in one swift motion, I'm going to do this, pop up, and duck. Okay? So I'm here, gets a clinch, I'm here, under, and I'm here. Okay? See, fighting, he gets a clinch, boom. I create the distance, under, pop, and up. And what do I have here? Katami. Okay, I have a standing choke here. If you want to be more sadistic about it, I could just grab the hands, come in, and throw him on the back of his head. Okay, so one more time from this side. He gets the clinch. Hand in, and forearm in. Grab the back of his neck. Arm under, and catch. You're going to not only use your arm, look how I bring my hip in. Pop it, and step underneath. Okay? And then we're going to do a takedown from there. Okay? Right.